Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Well, fellow shed warriors, I have come across something that is nothing short of revolutionary for growing your garden. Forget that. Hopefully I will be able to do some screen grabs on from other videos. But you see this, this is a pepper plant that I'm doing as part of my Gladiator Challenge to growing the biggest pepper. See the difference between the size previously and now? And here's a squash plant. Now see the difference. And here are my grow from grocery. These are cantaloupes. What I discovered is that if you water your plants, they'll grow. Well, that sounds silly. This is the first time I have done a row garden. Previously, I planted in planting beds. You know, I didn't realize how little water my plants were getting. I mentioned it before, how I put a little, I ended up digging like a little trench or moat around the plants and was pouring water on because it's a high clay soil, even though it's been amended. And, you know, so, well, I didn't realize that I really wasn't getting enough water. And I've been watering from a rain barrel. And well, I ran out of rain barrel, and I used my spray gun to water the plants. Well, I put it on jet, but I only opened it a little bit, and I go, I'm going to make sure that the water gets in. So I, let the water fall in, and it dug it kind of dug a little hole, kind of stirred the soil up. So I kind of did that around the plant, all the way around the plant, and really gave it a good soaking. Well, that was yesterday, and now you see the difference in those plants. I mean, it's almost ridiculous how much growth there was. Besides needing the water, I guess it pulled some nutrients. If you don't get water into the soil, the nutrients that are in the soil aren't going to get up in there either. So anyway, that was a little bit humorous, but it is a tip that, hey, when you got to make sure your plants get enough water. And if you live in the South, overwatering is probably not going to be a problem. But with the planter beds, the soil was so loose, any water I poured would go just right down into the roots, and it was readily available for the plants. I'm thinking a lot of this water has been either sitting on the surface and I did what I could to keep it from running off. So anyway, water your plants, guys and gals. God bless y'all. See you next time.